You said that who is kafir? Dr. Sahib, look at this one. Look at the beauty. When Mirza Sahib claimed to be the prophet, obviously, Alhamdulillah, the entire ummah unanimously rejected him. So according to your understanding, we are kuffar. Number one. Number two, then the Lahoris and Ahmadis, they got split. According to Lahoris, Ahmadis are kuffar. According to Qadiani Ahmadis, Lahoris are kuffar because they don't believe in your prophet. Guess what? Dr. Sahib, the result of the Messiah is entire ummah has become kafir. We became kafir according to you because of rejecting Mirza Sahib. Okay? Lahori became kafir because of not believing Mirza as a prophet, and Qadiani became kafir because Lahori considered them as because they believe in a prophet who was not the prophet. So basically, the net result is, Dr. Sahib, look at me. The net result is we do not have a single Muslim left on the planet as a result of Nabuwwat of Mirza Sahib. This is the Nabuwwat. Okay.